I shall show the steps once more. Just open the store. There will be this link. Just click the link. Just click the link. And it will ask the username and password. Just give the username and password. Open the preferences. Just click it. And just click here. And now this all the Sotoro software is installed. It is only just connecting the Sotoro website. No problem. You can do it later also. Shall I go to the next step to use the Sotoro?
I think you can proceed, sir.
Okay. Then next step is you can go back to Sotoro website. Just Google Sotoro. Then what all web browser you are using, that web browser link will be shown here. Sometimes if you are using Mozilla or Chrome or any other web browser, that image will be shown here. Install Chrome connector here. Yep, just click on install. It is very simple. Installation is process is completed. And it will ask add extension. Just click on add extension. Then here an amoeba like image is there. Then just click there. It is added, already added. Then you can find. You click the amoeba like sometimes this table. Just click here. You can find the Sotoro connector in the progress. I should show the steps once more. Just go to Sotoro download website. What all web browser? If you are using Mozilla or any web browser, it is no problem. All web browser Sotoro will be connected. The purpose of doing this work is, what if you are using internet and you are reading something, you want to add it to your bibliography, you can directly add from this web browser itself. For that, we are installing this. Just click on install connector. It will not take much time. Just it will be installed. Successfully installed. And sometimes only it will ask add extension. Just click on add extension. If you use multiple time also, no problem. Then you can find the Sotoro option is there. Like an amoeba, like image is there. If you click here itself, you can find it's connected. So sometimes this image. Just click here, it is connected. So no need to remove from Chrome. If you remove from Chrome, you have to install it and add once. With the web browser, Sotoro will be connected. These are the two installation process. Now the Sotoro is installed in your computer. It is connected to your web browser. Anyone any doubts? If you have any doubts also, you can ask also. Just come to download, then install which web browser you are using, that image will be shown here. Just click on connector. So the step is not coming. Are you using mobile? Go 1%. Search extension downloaded and still synchronizing is showing. The synchronizing your account is not synchronized. No problem. If you are not synchronized, also no problem. You can install the Chrome. And if you are using mobile, it is not possible. If you should use computer or laptop. Only you can. From I think one person has laptop. You are using laptop, there is no problem. Very simple steps we can do it. So should be logged in. No need to log in. No need to Sotoro login or anything. Just come to Sotoro website, download. When you click on download link, this is from first step we have already done. Second step is install Chrome connector or whichever web browser you are using, that will be shown. Just click there. It will be installed. Only this much is installed. And for checking it only, I tell this add extension. Just click on sometimes only it will ask add extension. Just click on add extension. If you want to check it, just like this image or some companies it will be shown this image. Just click here. Some browsers it will be shown this. Just click here, you can find this Sotoro connect. Okay. Shall I go to the next steps for using Sotoro? Hello? Ma'am, shall I go to next
Yes,
step?
I think you can. There are few people who are having some problems, sir.
Okay.
I think if you share the PPT, even later they can try.
Okay, I
Yes,
should
sir.
share it.
Okay, sir.
Definitely. Okay, then we can come to the how to use Sotoro. Now the Sotoro is installed in your computer. So how to use it? That is the important. The installation, I think, very much easy. No problem with installation. Only in synchronizing steps there is problem. You can synchronize it anytime. While you are using itself, it will ask to synchronize. You can click on that link and also you can synchronize it. No problem. But which all web browser you are using to connecting it is also very easy. You can do it anytime. No problem. So now the Sotoro is installed in your computer. Then how to use it? This is the Sotoro interface. Here, click on the Sotoro link, you can find this interface. This is the interface. I shall so there are three columns. First is left column, folder creation, all those things. Whatever folders you are created is shown. Then middle column gives the article details. Whatever article or book details you are adding is shown on the middle column. This space contains selected library. What all bibliographical details you have. When you click on any of these links you are added, it will be shown in right side. Now your area is blank. After adding something only, you will find this. I shall show it. Then these are you can create folders and subfolders. I shall come to that step. And you can otherwise all the references will be saved in your my library. You can create folders later, and without creating folders also it will work. And it just give the article details. I shall come to it, and just click any of the link will be shown here. Don't do it. I am just only showing. For your area is blank. Your Sotoro is now blank. You have to add some details. There are two areas to add the details. One a page like image is there. Another one torch like gas stove lighter. It's looking like gas stove lighter. Second, two links are. Through these two links, you can add bibliographical. That is, if you are adding manually, this much details you can add. I think all the books, book section. When you want to add a email in your bibliography, you can add. If you want an encyclopedic article, you can add it. That you have to manually type the details and add. So here, no need to Sotoro usually no need to type and give it. Otherwise, also you can add. Second option is for adding torchlight option is there. There, when you click on this lighter light option, you can find enter ISBN, DOI, PMED, RSAVE ID, BIOS, etc. Usually, when you are using when you are reading any journal articles, we can find the DOI number. My voice is not audible. Am I audible now? Any problem with my audio?
Now it is clear, sir.
Okay. in
I
this
think if
like
you lean back, it becomes stable, sir.
okay, okay. I shall sit straight. Okay, sorry. Here a lighter like button. Usually in journal articles there will be a DOI number. All the books there will be ISBN number. That ISBN number is copied and pasted there. It will automatically add it. Okay. First, we can look on how to add journal articles. How to add the journal articles first we can do. Usually, while you are adding a journal article, if you are adding manually also, these details we have to add it. Author name, then date of the publication, article title, journal title, audio number, issue number, pages, DOA. Sometimes only if you not add, if you did not add also no problem. Page details, all those things you have to add. So the Sotoro you can easily add. How we can add is we can just click on this torch like button and it will ask the DOE number. Usually all the articles there are DOE number. Digital object identifier number is DOE. All the all the important journals. In some Indian journals there will be no DOE number. Most of the international journals have DOE number. You can just copy this DOE number and paste here. Paste here, just paste there. Here, torchlight icon, just click here and you can paste here. Then all the details of the article is automatically saved. So just Google and find a journal article. Just go to Google Scholar and find a journal article and you can do it. I shall share my screen for better. Share my screen also. And my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Uh, here, here you can find this torchlight button. There you have to copy and paste the DOE number of an article. Just go to Google Scholar and search any topic in your desired area, and you can find thousands of articles. And from any article, DOE number you just copy and paste. For example, I am Google Scholar or any other database. Just the screen is visible. You just copy. Some articles there will be no DOE numbers. Some journal articles there will be DOE numbers. There is no DOE number. You can add it. I shall commit later. First of all, you add the articles with DOE number. DOE and PubMed is also this is DOE number. Sometimes the number will be given. Sometimes the website with a website address it will be. Just copy. I just copied it. I just paste it here. So automatically all the details will be saved. On the right side we can find all the details is saved. Okay, you can also do it. The screen is visible. Just copy the DI number and paste here. All the details will be saved here. Like any journal article, DI number. Just copy the DI number. For example, I'm just copying this DI number from my article. Just copy the DI number from the article. Just copy and paste. All the details will be automatically saved. Okay. Do you copied any article? Me, ma'am? All are okay, I think.
Yes.
You,
You have started getting replies, sir. Yes, sir.
like you can DOI number or PMD or anything, you can just copy and paste there, and all the bibliographical data will be automatically saved. The PPT is visible now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some articles it will be shown as just as a number. If you are downloading in the PDF, it will be shown at in the right side. Just here some articles DOI number. Then copy it and save and paste. So if some articles, journal articles, especially some Indian journals, there are no DOE number. So you can just do it manually also. Just click here. It will ask different online resources inside that. Just click on journal article. And you can add the manual. No need to give all these details. Just these are some important. If you are doing it manually, these are some things you should in any steps. Journal article, journal title, author name, date, article title, audience number, issue number, pages, page numbers. These things don't need to enter. Also, DOI number. There is no DOI number of the article. You no need to enter the DOI number. Other old things, other date, title, publisher, issue pages that will have annually. I should show it in my screen itself. Just click on here. Just click here.
Sometimes your audio is getting
Okay.
feeble, sir.
Okay. Just give the manually just give the title, author details. Author details first part last part should be given first. First part later. Then publication means journal name, audience number, then issue number, issue number of the journal, page number, date. These things are enough. Other those things we no need to write, no need to enter. First part you have to enter. If you open itself, one page will be open here. Just right click and you can move to bin option. You no need, you can delete it. Here, just click on journal article and you can do it manually. Okay. Okay, I think you are okay with this part. All are okay?
Yes.
Okay. Then we can go to the next part. How to add the book details. Adding books. How we can add book details. Book details adding also very easy. All the books there will be ISBN number. Earlier number is ISBN number is International Standard Book Number. ISSN number is International Standard Serial Number, which is for journals. Here for books, International Standard Serial Book Number. In India, this ISBN number is provided by which agency? Anyone can answer the question? The ISBN number is provided by an agency in India. It's a government agency, Rajaram Mohan Roy Library Foundation. You can also just go to the Rajaram Mohan Library website and Rajaram Mohan Roy Library website, and you can apply for ISBN number, and ISBN number can be provided. You will get the ISBN number. And even now we can in online format we can publish books. A lot of free tools are there. So here we are coming back to the topic. All the books there will be ISBN number. Just copy the ISBN number and you can paste in the software. As like the earlier, a lighter like button there, you can just copy the ISBN number and paste there. For example, I shall show here. I just copied search a book. You can search in Google books with ISBN number. One of the problem with Indian books is many of the books bibliographical data is not in internet. There will be ISBN number for the Indian books. Some local books, its bibliographical data is not properly in internet. That book details you will not get. Especially in all the international books, the ISBN number and it is all details in the internet and it can be added. Just Google books with ISBN and you can find the book's ISBN number. Just copy the ISBN number. Just copying it. I'm coming to Sotero. Just paste here. It's already added. It's added. That would be medical philosophy. It's added. All the details will be automatically saved. Okay. So if we search in internet, we can find a lot of books. All the books have ISSN number. Searching the international books. Some Indian books there is problem that we get that books we can add manually also. Any of the book details you can find. So publishers are not releasing the ISBN number. Where you can add it. For example, this book, the ISBN number is there. Better copying the 13-digit ISBN number. Any book. I'm just copying 13-digit ISBN number. Just copy it. Just come to Sotero. There is a torch button. This torch light button is there. You can just copy and just that it is added. The details is added. Details. Okay, you can add the book details. Okay, I think most of you have added the book details also. You can add it manually also. Some Indian books, there is problem with adding an Indian book. Sometimes if you copy the ISBN number and it will not give the bibliographical details, you can add it details. Book. Just click on book and you can add the book details here. Manually you can add. And if you want a book chapter or book section, you can add that details also. Usually, the book details we are adding is details. This much details is needed for adding a book. Usually, the book title, author, date of publication, that is year of publication of the book. If you are doing it manually, edition, if any, some books there will be no edition. If edition is there, just leave the edition number there. Then publisher. This is the publisher there. This much details you have to add when you are adding it manually. When you are adding manually, you have to give this much details. So I think okay with you, the book and the book add. Shall I go to next step?
Yes,
Shall I go
sir,
to?
I think.
Huh?
I
Okay.
think you can, sir. After that installation part, I think everything is
Okay,
easier, sir.
okay. Then book section also you can add. Book section also similar way you can add. Manually also you can add it. Usually, when you are adding a book chapter, more details should be given in the book chapter. Chapter of authors and surname, year. If you are doing it manually, chapter title, editor's name, book title, then edition, chapter, these all things you have to give manually if you are adding it manually. So adding the details is very easy. This way you can add any document and not much going. Commonly we are adding books and journals, so I'm just going through it. And this all details you can add. If you have an artwork or some case studies, all those things you can add it. These options are there. You can add it manually, and then we can come to the web browser. You are searching a topic in internet, and you have to add that details to Zotero. Just go to Google and give any topic and search. For example, I just go to a topic and I find these details. It is not in a journal format or somewhere else. You can add it to Zotero also. Just search any topic. I find this and just right click your mouse. Right, just right click. If you are using mouse, you just right click. You will find Zotero connector here. If you don't find the connector, no problem. You can just go to your web browser and you can also add it manually. You can also update your connector. So I shall come to the step once more. Just search any topic in internet. Just right click and connect to Zotero. Link is there. Just click, it will ask save to Zotero. Save to Zotero with a snapshot. So just save with the metadata is enough. That all the bibliographical details will be added to Zotero. Will ask where to add. Just in my you didn't create folder, so it will be added in my library. Just click here and it will be added. Bibliographical detail will be added. It will be added as web page in your computer. In your Zotero, it will be added as web page. So all when you right click and add it, sometimes journals it will be automatically gone as journals. Most commonly it is web page. You can just click here and you can edit. Just click here web page and you can edit it. Journal article or which artist or anything you can edit it. If it is a journal article, sometimes you copy the bibliographical details of a book, then you have to edit it. So from while you are using internet, you can copy it. I shall show it from my computer. So I just searching any topic. Just search medicine plants. I find this website. For example, I find this website. I just right click here. The save to Zotero option will come. And snap with web page with snapshot. It will be automatically saved in the Zotero. you go back to the Sotoro, you can find it will be saved, and it will be saved here as web page. You can just click here and you can edit it. It is a journal article. It is a conference papers. Just click here and you have to do some edition. Otherwise, some mistakes will be there in your book. Okay. If it is not connected, also you can. I think most of you have done it. Any problem you can tell. In the top portion, there is photo. This image will be there. So just on, if it is not working, just click here on the connector and it will be connected. Okay. 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 Madam. Okay with
Okay.
this step.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Oh, everyone is okay. Like what all things you are doing, you are searching in internet, you can directly add to something and you have to edit it. Otherwise, it will be saved as web page. So just click here and you can edit it. It is a newspaper article. You can just click here and you can give the newspaper details and you can edit it and you can save it. Now we can come to the next steps. So here are some options. In right side, we can see attach a link, attach a file. If you have a link also, you can add it. It will be rarely used because in the web page itself, you can add it. That option is also there. I'm just mentioning it. Then you can add notes also. If you are searching a topic and you are planning to write an article and you want to add a note recording an article, just click here to add note option and you can add notes also. Just click here, standard on note. I should show in my Safari. This page. Just add a note. You can write something and you can add. When you are reading an article and you can add a note. What are things you are typing it in the search. And you can, I shall come back, you can add this notes while writing. Somebody's audio is,
Participants,
please.
please mute your microphone.
പിന്നെ ശരി ചേച്ചി വന്നോട് അമ്പലത്തിൽ വന്നാ ഞാൻ വിളിക്കാൻ നേരം ഇപ്പുറത്ത് വിളിക്കണം
I think it is Sindhu. Okay, please mute your
വന്നാൽ വിളിക്കാം
microphone.
Like you can add a notes also. And these notes can be while you are reading an article and you can add that notes. While you are writing your own article, you can add that notes. You can insert in the Microsoft Word also. I shall come it later. So that options are there. And you can, there is search options also. You can search any, if you are a lot of articles you have added, you can search there. There is search window like icon is there. You can search. And you can add multiple collections also. If you are copying from giving a topic in Google Scholar and adding, you have find 3 or 5 articles that you have to add it, 5 articles at a time. Bibliographical details that also you can add. You can just give a topic and search. There is a folder like button will be there. Just click there. It will show multiple articles. You can select. You can select all the articles and you can select choose some 4 or 5 articles you needed and select all or just select 4 or 5 articles and you can add this article. It will be added. It will be added to Sotera. I should show it my desktop. Let's come to Google Scholar. Google Scholar. Yes, in medicine. I can find GPS in medicine this much articles. I want to add it, multiple articles. This here an icon is there. All the articles you search is coming. You can select certain articles in your references. Select all option is also there. Don't need to select all. If you want only selected articles, you can select two or three articles directly. You click OK. Will ask where to save this arrow. Usually in your computer, it will be my save. It selected two articles. It's saved now. These articles have been saved. I selected certain articles. That articles have been saved. I selected only two articles that is selected. Saved. Like you can add multiple articles. I only shown the features now. Sometimes it is not useful to you. You can use it. Now we can come into the next step. Next step is now you are okay with adding the bibliographical details. Okay. Shall I go to the next step? This feature we
Yes,
have rarely only we will use because then creating the folder. How to create folder? How to create folder is next.
Steps.
Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Will you please tell what is your doubt?
Hello.
Can you please repeat the steps of multiple selection
Oh, okay. I shall.
in a single click?
Okay, I shall. This, for example, we are searching in Google Scholar any topic, and we find 4 or 5 articles which is relevant to us. We want to add this to our Sotoro. Just click here. Will be extension button is there. Just click on connector. It will show all the articles in the web page. Google Scholar. What all articles, and you want to select 2 or 3 articles, so all selection option is also there. You selected three articles. Just click OK. It will show here saving to Sotoro. If there is folder, if there is different folders, I'm going to come to the folder next step. You can select the folder, otherwise it will be saved in my library. Okay, then just click it. We can come to Sotoro. You saved it here. The 3 articles is saved. Okay, I think, madam, you are okay with these steps now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Then we are coming back to how to create folder. Folder creating is also very easy step because in computer we are creating folder, like in Sotoro also we can create folder. Because the folder creation important is if you are a research scholar, you have several chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3, like chapter 1 there will be bibliography. Chapter 2 you want to add some bibliography. Chapter 3 you have to create add details. So create a folder. Just click here and create a folder. For example, the PhD folder you are creating. And for example, I create DWS workshop. And I can create subfolders also. I can show it from my screen also. I should show it. And you can create subfolders also. So I should show it from my Sotoro itself. I should show it. So this is my library. A lot of articles are there. Here, a folder creation is very easy. Here, just click here, like computer. I am creating a folder. For remembering, only I am putting 0 because a lot of folders are there. I just create a folder, medical. Create a collection. Create a collection folder is create. Okay, I think okay with this steps. And here For example, for PhD, for example, your PhD, that is good because PhD there will be chapters. For example, my PhD. Zero because giving zero because no need for you to give zero because lot of folders are there. So zero is I create a folder. I create a folder here, zero please. And you can create subfolders also. This, for example, just click here and create a folder. You can create. I think PC is created a subfolder here. It didn't come out from here. Oh, no problem. Medical. And here I am creating a subfolder. A new subcollection options. Just create a new subcollection. For example, chapter 1. For PhD, creating chapter 1. Subfolder. Like you can create many of the subfolders. And you can save it, your data to the subfolder or main folder. Chapter 1, 2, 3, like it. And all the files will be in my in medical itself. I create a chapter 1 folder. Then another subfolder if you want, you can create chapter 2. All the bibliographical data is saved here will be shown. And folders and subfolders can be created. Okay, shall I go to the next step? Okay, you can create
Anyone
folder. It's
please
very.
respond?
Shall I go to the next step?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Like you can create subfolders and you can copy the something you are created added in another folder. Also, you can copy to another folder. You can just select and you can just right click and you can see. For example, come to Satora once more. In KCHR, KUSHS, PCRI created folder and some items are there. I want to, so you want to, you can just select one and you can right click and you can add. You can add it to move from collection to somewhere else. You can do it. You can, if you just control A, all will be selected. You can select all also. Then move this option. Move item from add to collection. You can add to somewhere else. I want to add it to medical. Medical where it is added. I want to add it in chapter. Now it is added in chapter. Like you can add it. If you don't want it in this folder, you can select and you can delete it. Now it is added in chapter 1. Like you can select one item also and you can add it. Like you can add it one item. I add one item. Like you can add it to anywhere else. Okay. Shall I go to the next step? Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Shall
please.
I? Okay.
Yes, please. I think
Oh.
go ahead.
Oh, okay.
And show how you insert this references in the text.
Okay.
We have 15 minutes more.
Okay. Okay. Now we can, now the Sotero almost 80 part is finished. Now the Sotero is integrated with Microsoft Word. I think most of your Sotero have been integrated with Microsoft Word. If there is any problem, you can install Sotero once more. If there is any problem with your internet speed, sometimes the Sotero will not be integrated with Microsoft Word. So you can check your Microsoft Word page and you can find Sotero in your Microsoft. Just open a Microsoft Word. There Sotero link will be there. Sotero will be in the top, there will be Sotero. And if you click there, you can add items, add citation, add a note option is there. If you add any note, earlier we have added one note, you can add it. Add or edit bibliography option is there. Add a citation. You are writing an article and you want to cite something you added in Zotero, you can add it. So just click here. For example, I put a paragraph here and I want to add some bibliography. I just click on add edit citation. You will ask which style. You select the which style you want to add it. You can select. I select APA 7th edition. And it will be a window, this type window will be open and you can search here what article you have to add it. For example, I typed one of the author name, that details is coming here and it will be added. It's added. In which part you want to add citation, you can add it. I can show it manually also. So I am just coming to Microsoft Word. For example, I type something. Just type it. Then in the top portion, you saw all the meeting details are there. Zotero link is there. Just add citation. You will ask this type. You select APA 7th edition or any style. What style? If you want one per style, you select one per style. Then just click OK. You will ask. It just give some details. All the details you added in there will be added. I just click here. And it will be added. Anchor style, the number will be added. In APA style, the other details will be added. Okay. I think most of you this Microsoft Word is integrated with Zotero. Okay. Hello. Is it okay now? I shall show the steps. If you need it, I shall show the steps once more. Am I audible? Madam? Hello?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay. I think okay with this step. All of you are okay with the steps. Your Zotero is integrated with Microsoft Word also.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then next is how to insert bibliography. You have done added some bibliography and you want to insert a bibliography also, you can add it to bibliography options. You want to add a bibliography, you can just click here, add to bibliography option is there. You can add a bibliography also. But you can try it later also. Then add a note option is there. Zotero, if you add any notes, you can just click here, add a note. I just click here, add a note. I added one note there. You will ask which note you have added. You can just click that note and you can like bibliographic insertion. You can add notes also. Just I click here.
Sir, if Zotero is not added to MS Word, how can we add it?
If it is not, if it is original version, no problem. You can, I think in installation time there is problem with your internet speed. When there is proper internet speed, you can install it once more. It will be added. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Please install it once more, it will be added. No problem.
Okay.
Then editing and deleting option is also earlier I mentioned how to edit it. I have shown it. I think you are familiar with it. Editing, you can just right click and you can delete and edit. Then how to create bibliographies. You can come to the Zotero My Library and you can select For selecting, you can just just select one article and select Control A. Otherwise, right click and select all the articles. And just click, then right click your mouse or computer, laptop, keypad, then right click. There it will right side there will be some option will be shown. Just click on create bibliographies. You'll ask which style we have to create. We have to select the style, and you'll ask the bibliography should be saved where. You can save. If you don't give a folder name, it will be saved as untitled bibliography. Otherwise, just give a name and you can save your computer. You just give untitled bibliography, and the bibliography is created. I should show it. Show it from my. Here, I create some photos in chapter 1, for example. Something is blank, so I'm deleting it. These are the things I added. I want to create bibliography. Just click on Control. Just click on laptop Control A and select all this. Otherwise, just select by clicking the right click and select all the articles in the folder. Just create bibliography from the items. Style, different styles are there. I selected one style. Then click OK. The default is shown as untitled bibliography. If you want to give any name, I just give saved in desktop. Just select the folder. In my desktop, it is saved. The bibliography is created in Vanker style. Okay, you can also create bibliographies. Bibliography creation is no need to study all these rules. According to the rules, it is created. Okay. Okay. All of you, can you create bibliography? Any problem with creation of bibliography?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Then we can come now. The installation and sort of bibliography creation is. I think all of you are okay with it. Now we can just go. Whatever work you done in Sotero will be saved in Sotero's website. To check it, just click on. Just visit the Sotero website. Just Google Sotero and login option is there. In login, just click on login and give your username and password. And all the works you have done in Sotero will be saved. Just log in. Just come to Sotero website and log in. You cannot add bibliography here. You can just, what all work you done in Sotero will be saved in Sotero's website. The purpose is, if any problem with your computer, you can install Sotero in another computer and give the username and password and login, and install Sotero. All the bibliographical details will be saved. So these details will be automatically saved in Sotero website. So just log in. I think
There was this question about numbering, whether the numbers will appear in the right place in the text.
Yes, numbers will appear.
Okay.
While you are writing the articles, which article you selected, that number will be definitely come. If you are using Vanker style, that number will become. If you are writing the article and you want to insert bibliography, that number will be correctly come.
in the text that will be properly placed, isn't it?
Properly placed, but because we want to click the mouse where where we have to place it, we have to click it, and we have to
Yes.
click on
That
add
probably needs explanation.
will be added there. Which place you click there, that will be added. While you are right, inserting bibliography, that thing that inserting while you are writing an article, you want to add the reference there, the details in that you have asked, sir.
Yeah. I think in some other, see, when you put a reference in one place, it should automatically come in both bibliography as well as in the text in the right place. That is what the questionnaire meant, I think.
Yes. Well, which place you want to insert, you just click there, and here just click on add embed Sotoro link is there. Just click there and find that article details and just click there. That number will be inserted. No problem.
Okay.
I think most of you have logged into Sotoro, and what all work you done in the Sotoro is added to the Sotoro website.
Sir, if we rearrange the text, then the references will also change, no, in the text. Then how this Jotaro will handle that?
The references there in bibliography. In references, you are telling, sir?
In both the places. See, in the text as well as bibliography, in the text, when we are writing the paragraph, if we change the sentences, suppose the sentence 3 will become sentence 8, or sentence 7 will become sentence 1, then the reference will change. So in the text, how it will handle, number 1, and in number 2, in the bibliography, how it will handle.
If you are changing it, you have to just add once more. Just add to in the word itself, add citation. Just change it. In references, it will be automatically changed. While you are writing the article and you want to add something, and there you have to insert that bibliographical details. Then that number will be shown.
Okay, thank you.
Dr. Nimmi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I have one suggestion that maybe if I think many viewers will be willing to come back for a question answer session later on. If the speaker is able to allow that, we can consider that in the next 7 to 10 days if the speaker can confirm availability for a 1-hour session between 7 and 8. Just consider that.
Okay, sir, we can consider that, sir. We
Talk
can
to the
discuss it
speaker later on and fix
Yes,
up a
sir.
time which
Yes,
will
sir.
not
Yes,
clash
sir.
with other programs, because it seems that there are many people who are very keenly trying to clarify doubts. So in the
Yes, sir.
interest of time, and all of us can go back and try something and then make a list of questions which can be mailed to Dr. Nimmi so that she can send it to the speaker, and whenever he gets time, we can have a 7 to 8 p.m. session the next 7 to 10 days, if that is okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we can discuss it, sir.
Okay, we'll
want to-
discuss that, and
Yes,
the details Dr. Nimmi will communicate to the speaker.
Sure, sir.
Thank you for that, because that part will be much more helpful, because
Yes,
this
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
mostly a primer.
There is limitation, sir, because I am handling a practical section online, so I cannot see all those. What are the problems? Very good idea, sir. If any doubts, I am ready to handle another section for clearing the doubts because of the limitation of a practical section by online.
Yeah, that's true. Very much true. Thank you very much.
Okay. So I'm concluding. Just we can organize our research materials for long-term storage and reduce data entry and formatting by using the reference management software like Sotoro. It helps to develop your research also. So thank you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shaji sir. I think he asked a lot of questions and interacted a lot. Thank you, sir. And thank you, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, PC, and all dignitaries and all the participants for participating and interacting with me. Thank you all. Thank you, Nimi madam, and all of this session. Here is my email ID and WhatsApp number. If you feel any doubts, also you can just email. Also, I can answer.
Okay, okay, sir. Someone was asking for sharing the PPT also, sir.
Definitely, I shall share. I shall share the steps for installation. I shall share it.
You can send it to me, and I can send it to the participants who need them, sir.
Oh, okay, definitely.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Dr.
I would
Nimi,
like to. Yes, sir.
before you wind up, I would think that if people who attended here are interested, they could write you whether some sessions like this in the future will be of use to them. If that
Yes,
is
sir.
the
Yes,
case,
sir.
you let me know. We will organize a series.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. I would like to render some vote of thanks officially. I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, for being with us for this session. I would like to thank the Registrar, sir, also for being with us. I thank Shaji, sir, for his active participation, Dr. Binoj, other faculty, senior faculty of the schools of KUHS, all other affiliated colleges, all the participants, and last but not the least, I definitely want to thank Shihab sir for his wonderful presentation. He meticulously and very patiently also, he took us all through Zotero. And as Shaji sir said, I also feel that this session is not complete. I feel that there should be a continuous session as equal to this also, sir. So we can discuss about that. And if it is feasible for you, I really hope we can arrange another session, practical session. Thank you very much, sir, for this session. It was a very informative session, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I thank all the participants also for being with us, for being active in participating. So we were thinking of conducting a question answer session separately, but all throughout we were getting questions in the chat box, and Shihab sir was actively answering those also. So I think there is no need for further question answer session, and whatever doubts all of you are having, you can send the doubts to sir directly by email, or you can send any doubts to course and sths@kuhs.ac.in for clarifications also. I really hope another session will become possible so that the participants will be benefited fully. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Then,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you. The speaker was very, very useful. It was very, very good session. It's a kind of, what shall I say, sensitizer come starter session. So thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much. Okay.
So let's wind up. Thank you, everyone.
Ma'am, can you share the recording of this session?
I will inquire with the IT section and will, if possible, recording. I am not very sure.
Okay, please try, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, I'll try and then let you know.
Is this section is available in YouTube?
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you.
It will be available in YouTube also. Okay.